Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to do a quality check using Desire to Learn. So first we're going to create our demo account. So we'll go to the class list tab, click the drop down arrow and move over here to create demo account. Then once our demo account is created, we'll see there's this student here. It's clearly a demo student. To impersonate the student, we're going to click the drop down arrow here and click impersonate. You will then need to click yes. So now you're viewing the course as a student would. So we will then go apply a discussion. So we'll go to our communication tab, click the discussion post. Then we'll go over to our desired group, which is going to be group 1. And we will click start a new thread. So for this thread, we'll enter our title. And then we will go ahead and type in our text. Once we're finished, we'll go ahead and click the post button. And then that will have successfully created our response. So now we can see that students can view the groups, start a thread in the group, post a response, post the thread to the group discussion, and then we will go ahead and exit our student view. We can do this by clicking this little profile button here at the top. Click that, and then it says that impersonating demo student, and then we'll click the X to log off of that. So now we're back at the home page, and we're in the faculty view. So it looks like we have an unread discussion post here in the updates section. We will go ahead and click this link and it should take us to the new post. So we can log in here, see that somebody has posted, click the group 1 post, and here we can view the response. So that's one way to check that the student has look at the student's work. Then we'll move on to actually grading the assignment. So as a faculty, we can go log into grades. So we'll click the grades tab. And here we're looking at our students and our different assignments that we can do. So right now we're on the enter grade section. So we'll go over here to the week 1 discussion. We'll click down here, we'll click enter grades. So now as you can see for the week 1 discussion, we'll have all of our students here with the ability to enter their grade into this box. So we'll go down to our student demo here, click 5, as in 5 points, and then we will save and close. And this is make confirmation that we're going to save our changes, and we will click yes. Okay, so it looks like we were able to successfully update our grade. It's showing as 100% with 5 out of 5. So let's go ahead and go home real quick. And then to delete the student account when you're finished, the demo student, go ahead and click the down arrow next to class list again, and then click delete demo account.